can spray the wrong cleaner 20 times and still lose the war, because the best carpet cleaner spray is the one that matches your stain, your fabric, and your patience. Today I'm ranking 7 popular carpet cleaners from good in a pinch to grab this first, and I'll tell you exactly what happened when I used them on real-life messes. 7. Resolve Ultra Pet Carpet Cleaner Spray. If you need a fast, easy spray for a pet mess and you don't want to drag out a machine, Resolve Ultra Pet is the kind of product you'll reach for first because it's simple. Spray, wait a few minutes, then blot or gently rub with a clean, damp cloth. I used it on a fresh paw print trail and a small oops spot, and the convenience is the whole point. This is the grab-and-go option that gets you moving quickly. What I noticed right away is that it works best when you follow the directions and soak a wider area than you think you need, especially for liquid messes, because the visible stain is rarely the full stain. When I treated only the center the first time, the edge rings still showed when it dried, but when I went bigger on the second try, the stain blended out much better. On odor, it's decent for light to medium smells, and it's especially useful if you catch the mess early and you're mainly trying to prevent it from settling in. The 5-minute wait time is realistic, and I like that it doesn't require special tools to activate. You're just giving it time to work, then blotting. Now the downside, if you're dealing with older set-in pet stains, this one can feel like it tops out quickly. You may need multiple cycles of spray, wait, blot, repeat, and that can start to lift the stain but not fully erase it if the stain has already bonded deep into the fibers. Also, because the method is basically spot treating with a cloth, the final result depends heavily on your technique. If you overwet the area or rub too aggressively, you can spread the mess or rough up the carpet pile, so it's not a mindless spray even though it seems like one. 6. Bissell Little Green. Yes, I know this is not a spray bottle, it's a portable spot cleaner machine, but it's in this list for a reason. If you can extract the mess out of the carpet, you can often beat problems that sprays only partially lift. The Little Green's sweet spot is upholstery, stairs, area rugs, and car interiors, and it has a 48-ounce tank and a 15-foot cord, which makes it far more usable than tiny toy spot cleaners. In real use, what makes the Little Green different is the rinse and suction effect. I used it on a sofa cushion and a high-traffic carpet lane, and being able to spray solution, agitate with the tool, and then pull the dirty water back out is the kind of reset that a surface spray can't always do. It's also straightforward to fill. Hot tap water to the fill line, and Bissell formula added to the tank in the amount the manual specifies. When you do it right, the machine stays consistent, spray, scrub, extract, without feeling like you're guessing. Here's the critical part. It's not effortless. If you're hoping for a quick spray and walk away, this is the opposite. Setup, dumping dirty water, rinsing the tool, and letting the carpet dry takes time. And the tank size is decent, but on multiple stains, you'll still find yourself refilling and emptying mid-job. Another drawback is that results depend on pairing it with a good formula and not overwetting the carpet. If you keep spraying without extracting enough, you'll extend dry time and can make the area feel damp clean instead of truly refreshed. And if you're tackling a deep odor problem, you may still need a dedicated enzyme spray as a pre-treatment. 5. Scotchgard Rug and Carpet Cleaner. Scotchgard is known for protection, but their foam-style cleaner approach is all about controlled application, more coat the spot than flood it. The method is simple. Shake, apply an even layer of foam, and let it sit briefly so it can penetrate before you blot. I tested it on a couple of food drips and general dingy patches, and the foam delivery made it easier to keep the mess from spreading. One thing I liked is how the foam gives you a clear visual of coverage. You can see where you applied it and where you didn't, and that helps when you're cleaning a slightly larger stain. It also feels more targeted than watery sprays that can instantly soak down into padding. Performance-wise, it's best on lighter stains and surface-level grime, things that haven't become a permanent part of the carpet's identity. On a fresh spill, it did what I wanted. Loosen the spot, let me blot it up, and improved the look without requiring a machine. Where it struggled for me was anything old, oily, or odor-based. If the stain has depth, this foam can brighten the surface but not fully remove the source. So it's great for maintenance and quick cleanups, but not what I'd pick for pet urine that has had time to soak. Also, you need to respect dwell time and blotting technique. I got the best results when I let it work for a minute or two and used absorbent towels instead of scrubbing, which lines up with the product guidance to blot rather than aggressively scrub. If you want a clean-looking carpet fast for guests and your stain is more visible than smelly, this one is a practical, middle-of-the-pack option. Number 4. Zep ZUCEC128. Zep's ZUCEC128 is concentrated carpet shampoo designed for machine use, and it's built for frequent cleaning because it's low foam, meaning it plays nicely with extractors and steam carpet cleaning machines. When I used it, the first thing I noticed was that it felt like a workhorse formula. Not flashy, just focused on lifting general dirt and traffic grime. The biggest advantage is value and scale. The concentrate can make up to 25 gallons of solution, so if you clean carpets regularly or you manage multiple rooms, it's cost-effective compared to ready-to-spray bottles. I used it in a home machine on a high-traffic hallway, and the overall brightening was obvious after the carpet dried and I vacuumed. Zep also gives clear dilution guidance. Follow your machine instructions, and if pre-dilution is needed, use 5 ounces per 1 gallon of warm water. That clarity matters because too strong can leave residue, and too weak can feel like you're just wetting the carpet. In terms of stain power, it's better at whole carpet reset than surgical spot removal. It can improve the look of old spots, but if you're facing a single nasty stain, you'll likely want a dedicated pre-treat spray first, then run Zep through the machine. Scent and feel are pretty neutral in practice, which I personally prefer for large area cleaning. And because it's low foam, I didn't have issues with the machine clogging or foaming up, which is exactly what it's designed to prevent. If your goal is maintenance cleaning, traffic lanes, seasonal refreshes, big rugs, this is a strong number 4 because it's consistent, scalable, and machine-friendly. Sunny & Honey Carpet Shampoo. Sunny & Honey's big selling point is enzyme cleaning that targets pet stains and odors, and it's designed for a wide range of surfaces, carpet, furniture, even car upholstery. So it's a true multi-surface helper when life gets messy. I tested it on a small pet-related spot in a general funk area near a pet bed, and the enzyme approach is what made it stand out from typical detergent-only cleaners. The way I got the best results was to spray generously and let it sit for a few minutes before blotting and letting it air dry. That dwell time matters because enzymes don't work like instant bleach. They break down organic stuff, and that takes a little patience. Odor control is where it shines. On that "you can't see it, but you can smell it" situation, it noticeably reduced the smell after the first treatment, and even more after a second light application the next day. It also leaves a light scent behind, which helps the room feel fresh while the enzymes do their thing. I also like that it's positioned as biodegradable and non-toxic and intended to be safe around pets and kids when used correctly. For a household product that might get used often, that matters. The main thing to understand is that this is not a fast cosmetic fix. It's a solve the source product. If you're expecting the stain to vanish in seconds, you'll get better results when you treat it like a process. Saturate the source area, wait, blot, dry, and repeat if needed. If you've got pets and you want something that targets the biological cause of odors, Sunny & Honey earns 3 because it's flexible across surfaces and genuinely useful when the problem is organic. Number 2. Bissell 78H63. Bissell is a carpet cleaning formula designed to go in a machine, and what makes it a standout is the oxygen-based cleaning action that's aimed at stubborn stains and odors on carpets, area rugs, and upholstery. I ran it through a carpet cleaner on a coffee spill zone and a dull traffic lane, and it delivered that deep, clean feel where the carpet looks less gray and more like its original color. The oxy action is the story here. It targets deep-set dirt and stains rather than just cleaning the surface. and it's described as working by binding to stain material and helping release it from the surface. In my testing, that showed up most clearly on older spots that had already survived basic spot sprays. Another reason I like it is versatility. It's meant for multiple soft surfaces, not just wall-to-wall carpet. So if you're already using a machine, you can clean a rug, a chair, and a stair runner in the same session without switching products. It also removes odors as part of the cleaning, which is important because clean looking isn't always clean smelling. After drying, the room smelled fresher without being aggressively perfumed. The only reason it's not number one is simple. This is a machine formula, so it's amazing when you can do a full extraction clean, but it's not as convenient as a dedicated enzyme spray for sudden accidents. Still, as an overall performer for machine cleaning days, it's one of the best upgrades you can make. If you already own a carpet cleaner, this is the formula I'd keep on hand for deep cleans, seasonal resets, and this stain has been here too long moments. 1. Rocco and Roxie Supply Co. Stain. Rocco and Roxie takes the top spot because it's built specifically for the hardest category of carpet problems: organic stains and odors, urine, vomit, feces, and anything that leaves a memory in your carpet. Their approach is bioenzymatic, using natural enzymatic bacteria that activate on contact and feed on ammonia crystals and organic matter until the odor source is eliminated. In real testing, this is the product I used when I cared more about making it stop smelling than just making it look better. On a set-in pet accident area, I saturated the zone enough to reach the source, then let it work. The next day check was the difference maker, because when enzymes do their job, the smell doesn't just get covered, it fades because the source is being broken down. I also like that it's positioned as chlorine-free and color-safe, and described as safe to use around pets and children, with no residue left behind. That combo is exactly what you want in a product you might use repeatedly in the same spot without worrying about bleaching or harsh chemical fallout. Another big credibility marker is that it's been certified safe for carpets with a Carpet and Rug Institute CRI seal of approval, which gives me more confidence using it on expensive rugs and soft furnishings. It's one thing for a cleaner to work, it's another to be carpet safe across common materials and dyes. The best use case is anything organic: pet spots, mystery smells, old accidents, and the dog keeps returning to this area situations, because it's designed to discourage pets' attraction by making odors disappear. That last part matters. If the scent remains, pets often treat it like a marked spot. If you only buy one product from this list and you have pets, I'd make it Rocco and Roxie, because when the odor is gone at the source, the whole house feels cleaner, not just the carpet surface.